The Tipra Motha Party intensified its grassroots campaign for the 17th backward Jola Janmay constituency on Tuesday. Candidate Gita Debbarma conducted an extensive door-to-door drive in the Madhya Ganiyamara VC area, focusing on direct voter engagement ahead of the April 12 TTAADC polls. The door-to-door initiative saw a show of unity within the party leadership. Gita Debbarma was accompanied by MLA Madhya Debbarma and former Minister Mayor Khorang. The campaign yielded immediate results as 9 voters from 2 families officially joined the Tipra Motha during the drive. Welcoming the new members, Gita Debbarma stated that the increasing support at the village level reflects the public's continued trust in the participation for constitutional solutions and regional autonomy.
Exactly, Ramcharan under the Madhya Ganiyamara VC. O jaga phaye chin again old friend chini Ramo te Shukamto borok dui family borok IPF tiya kare tini no chin Tipra Motha join khlaika borni dui family milui jotoi 9 buta kai chin belai kana khaba khubai bongno lamsugo chini Tipra Motha family borok khapani bagi tei borni je kono prokar any kind of problem जों आबनो सल्युशन बाय केतलांनाय आबन बागै जों साकथारनाय बर' बाहायनो महाराजा बाय तंनानि ए कमिटमेन्ट दुइनो तिनि फाइनो हाय जों एक फेमिलि अंलायै मानखा आगि जों एक तंमानि मध्यखाने जों सिगां Tipra Motha हाबका बर' तिनि हाबका सो हायनो हाय जों एक अंलाय मामोन बागै जोंनि बबाग्रानो बर बेलायखनो हामबाय एकमात्र बिनि नाहारमुं बिनि चाइतकमुं बिनि मुसुंमानि बिसिंतैनो जों तरक तैबो ग्रेटार इउनिट Belakang hambai. Kone ageng ke tini Madhya Ganiyamara para bisiwo pas the ward tongmani protect ward no thangka. Belakang tongsotok tini hambai kubai klai borok reception khaika ang first time tini as a candidate mani kore ang bisiwo tini pula payo. Borok belakang ward welcome khaika no. So abun bagi bisi ni borok malai ang belakang khakchangka ang borok ni bagi tamu klaiman. Abo ang belakang sakta. Abo under the 17 abo hingkai assembly constituency hingkai 12 takat jola ADC ke to 17 backward jola jamno to jang to ani constituency ko.
With the election date fast approaching, the Tipra Motha is banking on this micro-level connectivity to secure a dominant mandate in the backward Jala Janmay Nagar belt. Reported by Tipra from Ganiamara, Chini, Khorang.